Hi, good afternoon. Can you remember our last class? We have studied about living things and non-living things. What are the characteristics of living things? Living things need food and water. Living things need air. Today, we discuss about living things another character. Okay, first one. Living things move their own. First point, living things move their own. Animals can move in the search of food and water and escape from their enemies and return back to their shelter. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and water, escape from their enemies and return to their shelter. They have different body parts that help them to move. They have different body parts that help them to move. Okay, let us learn about animals and their movements. Animals such as butterfly, dragonfly, bees, housefly, leg to crawl and wing to fly. Animals such as butterfly, dragonfly, bees, housefly, leg to crawl and wing to fly. Next one, birds such as parrot, pigeon, eagle, crow, leg to walk and hop and wing to fly. Parrot, pigeon, eagle, crow, leg to walk and hop, wing to fly. Next one, duck and swan, leg to walk and webbed feet to swim. Duck and swan, leg to walk and webbed feet to swim. Fish, fin to swim. Fish, fin to swim. Elephant, cow, and human beings leg to walk and run. Elephant, cow, human being leg to walk and run. Snakes have no legs. Snakes have no legs. They move by sliding their bodies. They move by sliding their bodies. Okay. Do plants move? Plants do not move from one place to another. Plants do not move from one place to another. Plants can move only their body parts. Plants can move only their body parts. Okay, I will show you one plant. Can you identify this? This is Touch-me-not plant. This is Touch-me-not plant. When we are touching this plant, they close their leaves. When we are touching this leaves, they will close their leaves. Okay. Let us watch one video. Listen here.
Have you seen animal moving from one place to another? Let us find out why they move.
What is the need for an animal to move? Can anybody answer?
Ma'am, is it in search of food and water?
Yes, they move from place to place in search of food, water and for shelter. Each group of animal have different organs for movement. Let us see How they move. Insects. Insects like ant, cockroach, bedbug have 3 pairs of legs to move. Some insects like butterfly and housefly have wings to fly. They do not fly very high or long distance. Fish. Fish is an aquatic animal which lives in water. It swims in water with the help of fins. It moves fins forward and backward to swim in the water. Reptiles. Lizards and chameleons have 2 pairs of short weak limbs to move. Mammals. Animals such as cows, goats, camels, cats, lions, tigers, dogs, and deer move with limbs. They have 2 pairs of limbs, a pair of forelimbs and a pair of hind limbs. Animals such as giraffe, zebra, and deer have long slender legs to run fast. Rabbits have short forelimbs and long and strong hind limbs to leap as well as run. Camels have long legs with padded foot to walk on sand. Elephants have legs which look like a pillar to support their heavy body weight. Birds. Birds use their wings to fly and their legs to walk, hop, run and climb. The claws in their legs differ from one bird to another, depending on their mode of life. Swans and ducks have webbed toes to swim in water. Crows and sparrow have 4 toes, 3 in the front and 1 at the back. This helps them to hold on the trees. Eagles and vultures have strong hooked claws to catch their prey firmly. Hens and cocks have sharp and hard claws to dig the ground to find the buried worms. Parrots and woodpeckers have 2 toes pointing upward and 2 toes pointing downwards. These toes help them to cling on the bark of the tree. Cranes, kingfishers and herons are long-legged birds. Their toes are spread out and help them to wade through muddy water without getting their feather wet.
Now we studied living things can move. What about non-living things? Non-living things do not move their own. Non-living things do not move their own. Okay, first point finished. Second point, living things grow. Living things grow. Living things grow. Kitten grow into cat. Puppy grow into dog. A child grow into adult. Animals grow only during early part of their lives. Animals grow only during early part of their lives. Plants grow throughout their lives. Plants grow throughout their lives. Okay. Did you go to restaurant? Did you go to restaurant? What did you feel the smell of delicious food? Okay. Our third point, living things can feel. Third point, living things can feel. Living things can feel with the help of their body parts. That part is called sense organ. Living things can feel with the help of their body parts. That part is called sense organ. We have 5 sense organs. Okay, we have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. Sense organ help us to sense our surrounding. Sense organ help us to sense our surrounding. Okay. I shall explain. When you are touching a glass of hot water, what do you feel? When you are touching a glass of hot water, what do you feel? Feel very, very hot. Do plants feel? Do plants feel? Like us, plants also can feel. For example, did you see lotus plant? Lotus plant open at sunrises, close at sunset. Lotus plant open at sunrises, close at sunset. What about non-living things? Non-living things do not feel. Non-living things do not feel. Okay. Did you understand my class? Okay. See you next time.